Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and I downloaded this font today from DA Fonts, and I showed how to install it. And I'm sitting here waiting for another video to load, and this is a rocky age if you ever want to do this to a font like this, because this is would look pretty cool on a t-shirt. I mean, some different wordage maybe, and you could change things like that very easily if you go object, break it apart, go object, group, break that apart, go object, convert it to a curve, and then you could change some of these nodes and make it look a little different. You know, you could actually make this bar straight, and I'm just going to show you that real quick. Now that you just have two nodes, you can select those two nodes and right click and put to a line. Of course, you're going to need to grab these two nodes. A little harder than said by done, so you can hold down the shift key and select both of them. Right click and break, I didn't mean to do that. Right click and turn them into a line, and you got a straight line, but the font's pretty cool and within itself, so you don't really need to play with that. But if you wanted to make it a little bit different, a little bit better, but then you could take the smartfield tool and fill in the letters, and I'm just going to do one of the words of epilogue. I use epilogue a lot in my videos because I'm a big fan of epilogue lasers, and then go with a different color and put every other color. And you could do multiple colors. You know, you could do, whoop. Now, one thing I did wrong, let's back up here. When I'm using my smartfield tool, I was doing a video the other day. You don't want the hairline. You want to go none. So you're just going to have a fill and no outline. And we'll just do every other one real quick. Just kind of give you an idea what it's going to look like. And what's cool about this, it doesn't have to be a certain number of, it doesn't have to be even or odd. Just do every other one, and if there's two white ones, together do that. But I'm gonna just show you what it would look like as a font on a t-shirt. I think it would be, sometimes I wish I could print instead of just laser engraving. Whoop, I got the outline again. You just fill in that, fill in that, fill in that, fill in that, maybe fill in that. That would look pretty cool printed. And you could change it up quite a bit. You could make if you wanted to, you could go with a second color and let's go blue. I'm just giving some people some ideas. I actually think it would look better if it was transparent and the color of the shirt would show through on those lines. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.